D.K. Shivkumar, Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka, Sri Sharan Prakash R. Patil, Minister for Skill Development and Medical Education, Government of Karnataka, Sri Mohammad Reza Kasham Utim, Honorable Minister of Labour and Industrial Relations, Republic of Mauritius, Sri Sharan Bashappa Darshanapur, Minister for Small Scale Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of Karnataka, Sri Ashutosh Gupta, Managing Director of India and Asia Pacific, Coursera, Dr. E.V. Ramana Reddy, Chairman of Karnataka Skill Development Authority, all distinguished guests, esteemed industry leaders, young innovators, ladies and gentlemen, friends from media. I am delighted to inaugurate the Bengaluru Skill Summit gathering that truly embodies the spirits of new, confident and capable Karnataka. At the heart of this Bengaluru Skill Summit lies a simple but profound idea that the real wealth of nation is not in its natural resources, but in the capabilities of its people. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the future depends on what we do in the present. The summit is about shaping that very future by empowering our people with the skills to dream, to innovate and to lead. Karnataka today stands at a unique demographic crossroads. Our 60% of our population is below the age of 35 and nearly 1.2 crore young people will enter the workforce in the next decade. This is an extraordinary opportunity if we equip this generation with the right skills, mindset and confidence. And there could be no better place than Bengaluru and innovation capital of India to host this confluence of government, industry and youth. Bengaluru has always been the city where ideas meet industry, the city that has transformed from garden city to the startup capital and now the skill capital of India. The Bengaluru Skill Summit is more than an event. It is a movement to prepare our people for a rapidly transforming world. The commitment by the government of Karnataka to bring together the best minds from industry, academia, startups and the youth to reimagine the future of skills, jobs and innovation. The Buddha once compared the head to the seat of wisdom, the heart to the source of compassion and the hands to the instrument of service. Only when the head, heart and handwork together does a person become complete. This harmony of intellect, empathy and ability is what true skill development most aim for. While motivation ignites the sparks of learning, consistency sustains it. Skill is not built in a day, it is built through patience, perseverance and continuous practice. As students, you must remember that motivation gets you started, but consistency keeps you growing. Every small effort you make today Every hour spent learning a tool, a language, or a craft becomes a foundation of our tomorrow. Karnataka has always been at the forefront of skilling. We were among the first state in India to create dedicated department for skill development, entrepreneurship and livelihood in 2016-17. This was not a bureaucratic move. It was a visionary step to unify all skill initiatives under the umbrella with one mission to make Karnataka the skill capital of India. Though the Chief Minister Kaushalya Karnataka Yojana, we took skills to every corner of the state. Our target was 5 lakh youth and we went beyond. In 2013-18, we started 100 new government ITIs, upgraded 104 ITI buildings and introduced 11,835 short-term and 9,500 long-term training programs through government total tool room and training centers. Under Yuva Yuga, we imparted advanced digital skills to over 1,10,000 youth in IT, electronics and animation sectors, ensuring Karnataka stays ahead in the fourth industrial revolution. We held 16 mega job fairs connecting over 52,000 youth to employment opportunities and 75 mini job melas reaching deep into rural Karnataka during 2013-18. In the last 2 years alone, we have held 34 job fairs with 2,554 companies and 1.43 lakh aspirants participating. Over 20,123 offer letters were extended to the aspirants. This is the Karnataka model, government that empowers, enables and uplifts. Since 2024, our government has redefined Karnataka's skilling vision to align with the demands of a rapidly changing global economy. In my last budget speech, I had announced a transformative framework, the Karnataka Skill Development Policy 2025-32. And today, with the inauguration of the Bengaluru Skill Summit 25, the vision is taking shape. This 7-year strategic blueprint, backed by a robust outlay of rupees 4,432 crore, aims to position Karnataka as a global hub for skilled, inclusive and future-ready workforce. We have set ambitious goals to skill 3 million youth by 2032, to increase women's ITI enrollment to 33%, to double district level skilling capacity and to strengthen global placement linkages through the International Migration Center, Karnataka. We are bringing institutional innovations in governance with the Karnataka Skill Intelligence and Strategy Unit for data-driven decision-making, district skill committees for local convergence and the Chief Minister's fellowship to accelerate on ground implementation. To nurture the spirit of excellence, we have launched the Karnataka Skill Olympics Framework, a first of its kind initiative to benchmark skills, celebrate talent and prepare our youth and global recognition. Our performance speaks for itself. Karnataka stood second in the India skills competition with 48 models and proudly represented India at the World Skills, bringing home 4 international medals. We launched Nanna Maitri, Nanna Aike, My Profession, My Choice. To build career awareness among government school students from classes 8 to 12. Over 35,000 students trained, expanding to 500 schools and 2.3 lakh students this year. The Bengaluru Skill Summit 2025 themed Workforce 2030. Scale Systems Synergy marks a turning point in Karnataka's skilling journey. Our goal is to make Karnataka skills gateway to the world by deepening our focus on innovation-driven sectors like ESDM, artificial intelligence, ML, aerospace, green energy, inclusion, and international employability. Through this summit, we are showcasing emerging funding models, technological enables, and partnerships that will shape the next decade of skilling in Karnataka. This is how we will turn Karnataka as a demographic strength into a demographic dividend and ensure that every youth becomes a builder of the new Karnataka. Today, Karnataka stands as a front runner in India's growth journey with GSDP of 28.1 lakh crore for 2024-25, growing at a steady 10%. Our state contributes 8.9% to India GDP at current prices and continues to be a pillar of stability and innovation. Our per capita income of rupees 3,80,906 is nearly 90% higher than the national average. A reflection of our strong economic fundamentals and high-value workforce. The balanced structure is not an accident, it is the result of deliberate investment in people, education, and skill. Our labor market is one of the strongest in the country, with a labor force participation rate of 57% and a low unemployment rate of just 2.4%. Equally encouraging is the participation of women, 33.5% in rural areas and 28.8% in urban areas, proving that empowerment of women is empowerment of society itself. These numbers are not mere statistics. They represent lives transformed, families uplifted, and communities strengthened. They represent a Karnataka that believes in inclusive and sustainable growth. Our industries, from aerospace in Devnalli to animation in Whitefield, from machine tools in Peenya to textiles in Bellary, are thriving because of the skills, commitment, and creativity of the people. It is their competence and attracts investment, their discipline that sustains it, and their innovation that multiplies it. Every skilled worker is a silent contributor to Karnataka's success. The young women operating precision tools in Tumkuru, the artisan in Mysuru, adapting traditional crafts to global markets, the student in Hubballi, learning artificial intelligence and robotics, and the farmer in Mandya, using drones to smart irrigation. This is the new Karnataka, where skills are not confined to classrooms, but flow into factories, startups, and farmlands, where every district contributes to the state's progress and every citizen participates in its prosperity. And that is why when we speak of Karnataka's growth, we are speaking about the futures we are shaping one skill, one job and one dream at a time. As we look ahead, our mission is clear to make Karnataka the skill capital of India and a United States $1 trillion economy by 2032. Empowered by talent, technology and tenacity, we will deepen our partnerships with industries, integrate skills into every stage of education and build a culture of lifelong learning so that every Kannadiga is a job ready, entrepreneurs ready and future ready. In the years to come, the world will look into Karnataka not only for innovation but for inspiration. Let the Bengaluru Skills Summit 2025 mark a new beginning where every head thinks, every heart cares and every hand builds the Karnataka of our dreams. Ellarigu Namaskara, Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.